I will now show you 3 examples of modulus function sketching. Okay, let's try part A first. Part A is the sketch of y equals to the modulus of x minus 3. Okay. So let's do a sketch of the xy axis first with the origin. Okay, we are going to show y equals to x minus 3 first, and this will be a straight line with a positive gradient passing through negative 3. Now you will also have to indicate where it cuts the x-axis. Now in this case, when at the x-axis y equals to 0 and therefore x equals to 3. Now after that's done, what you need to do is take all those portions of the line which are below the x-axis and reflect it upwards like that. Okay, and this will cut at 3. Then after that, just make this into a dash reference line. Okay, and there you have y equals to modulus x minus 3. Okay, let's try part B. Okay, so in this case you have to sketch out a straight line, or rather the modulus of y equals to x plus 1. Okay, so again, sketch out the xy axis. Okay, so in this case what you have is a straight line again with a where it cuts the y-axis at 1. Alright, over here on the x-axis, at the x-axis the y value is 0, and therefore this is minus 1, and this is y equals to x plus 1. Okay, take all those portions of the line which are below the x-axis and reflect it upwards like that, and this will be your sketch of y equals to modulus of x plus 1. Now what I'm going to show you now is the part C, which is the modulus function on a quadratic function. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to sketch out y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3 first. Okay, so what this entails is this is a quadratic curve going this way. Okay, and we need to figure out a few things. We need to figure out where it cuts the x-axis. We also need to figure out where this minimum point is. Okay, so where it cuts the x-axis is basically this. Okay, y equals to y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. You need to factorize this and you will get x minus 3 x plus 1. Okay, now this will tell us that it cuts the x-axis at negative 1 and 3. Now this will give you a fair idea of where the y-axis is. So y-axis is somewhere around here. Okay, and after that we need to calculate the coordinates of the minimum point of this curve. Okay, at the minimum point, what you need to do is, because it's symmetrical, we know that this portion over here is halfway between minus 1 and 3. Now the halfway between minus 1 and 3 is basically minus 1 plus 3, divide that by 2, and you get a value of 1. Okay, so we know the x value is 1 here, and we substitute that value of x equals to 1 into the equation. It's 1 minus 2 minus 3, and this is minus 5. Sorry, this is minus 4. Okay, so this is 1 minus 4 coordinates of the minimum point. We also need to know where it cuts the y-axis. Okay, where it cuts the y-axis, x goes to 0. So when x goes to 0, y equals to negative 3. So that is negative 3. Now let's do the sketch of y equals to the modulus x squared minus 2x minus 3. And what you need to do is take that negative portion of the curve and reflect it upwards like that. Okay. Now this cuts at 3, and we know now that this point over here is 1, and because the y value is negative 4, this will change into 4. Okay, and this is y equals to modulus x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, with that done, we change that curve to a dash curve as reference, and that's how you sketch out the modulus of a quadratic function.